Assalamu alaikum. Hen'dhunaa ke cooking segment marhaba. Medu salgonu me uleni tafatu dish tayyar kolla. Egotum algonda ko medu me dish me tayyar kollani chef Pasang. Chef Pasang, what dish are you making today?
Uh, good afternoon. So today we are going to make a cold cheesecake. So
Medu me tayyar kollani cold cheesecake. Me cheesecake ki ebbes kota oven ga bake kora cheesecake ennu hamu mixer mix kolla ready wa cheesecake. So can you explain the ingredients, Pasang?
so the ingredients are, this is first main ingredient is cream cheese, gelatin, this fish gelatin, water, cookies crumb, and this is some berries. This for garnish chili, and then this berry cube kuli, and then eggs and sugar, and then cream. This is unsweetened cream. So we are using unsweetened cream because we are already going to add a sugar. So if you use sweetened cream, so it will make your dessert more sweet, you don't feel like eating dessert, you feel like eating sugar. So that's why we are using unsweetened cream. So it will balance the sweetness of our dessert as well.
Midisha benu kolla cream ki phoni nu kon hunna unsweetened cream ei denhuri ingredients phoni wative adi hasako cream phoni vejja adi itura dish phonumuga chance poduwative me benu kollani unsweetened cream. So we can start the dish, Pasang.
So first we're going to add a cream cheese. Just make sure like cream cheese is little bit softer. When you keep in the chiller, just take it out and keep it like half an hour outside before you will use. Otherwise it will be very hard. So just slowly.
Dish ready or algon meng me har gelatin base me ready kollani me benu kollani fish gelatin.
Yes. So when you take like mixing gelatin and water, it should be 1:5. If you are using 10 gram of gelatin, water should be 50 gram. So 1:5.
Bihuga hame kani yolk benu kollani me recipe.
If you don't like eggs, like you can skip the eggs as well. That's no problem. In between you can just scrap it so that the cheese will not set downside. To just skip.
Bis ekkollumuge puring speed tankole madukollecche mixture ga
for our batter. So now our gelatin is already bloom, as you can see, got set with the water. So this one I'm going to microwave it for 45 to 1 minute. So depend on your quantity. If you are making more, then you should melt it for a longer time because the quantity is more. Now I'm making small quantity, so I'll just blow it for melt it for 45 seconds. That's it.
me har min dalgmange gelatin microwave kolla 45 second then et ekkollani cheesecake mixture Pasang mix kollaru gelatin ekkon ennu kollana mixture tereyaka ei ekkollima meti gandumuge chance haywan ehwima kuda cheesecake mixture kole gelatin na ekkollafa then mege teren ekkollana. කුරුමුත් මික්ස් කොල්ලානේ අතුන් අංගේ ලබ්වාගෙන් ෆෝල්ඩ් කුරුමු මේ කියන්නේ ඉංග්‍රීසියෙන් මීබුරු මේ තයාරු කොල්ලානේ ප්ලේන් චීස් කේක් එකම බෙලුන් තරෙන් බේනු වඤ්ඤය බේනු ෆ්ලේවර් එකෙන් අඩු කොල්ලේ වේන orange flavor cherry flavor no thamati kolum benu komme flavor mixture teren ek kolle
This is like normally cheese when you're making a cheesecake first we make our base ready so this is like a little bit opposite of that because we are using like a different fancy mold so this first we're gonna put the batter first and then finish it up with the cookie crumb so chef
then algon men lani me mixture freezer area how long you keep in the freezer
just keep like 2 hours is enough
degadi utere me tinnani set over
we are using cream cracker cookies so you want to flavor it with any other like a biscuit or something else that's also you can use even a chocolate cookies also it's very good like chocolate with the vanilla it's very nice this one is cookie crumb with the butter
alumenge cookie crumble mean the butter ekko hadada go miyad benu kuri cream cracker biscuit algol me mixture dellani freezer degadira mihar mindi algol menge cheesecake degadiro aisala mariga set kofa then algol men plating pattan
can use plate like flat plate as well
mindi algol menge dish berry cheesecake ready for ummeed kuran hori habelun terina wes kamudana dish ekkam